Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's Plan With Me in my Erin Condren neutral vertical. Let me go ahead and apologize for this light situation happening. It is 10:13 on Monday morning and I don't normally film these videos at this time, and the light right here and right here, I've got the blinds shut. I tried opening them, I tried flipping them the other way, but where like the little things are where the string is, the light is coming through and it's hitting right here, and there's really nothing that I can do about it. So I'm sorry about that. This week I'm going to be using our Succulent Deluxe Kit. So I've got the kit here, I've got the foiled glitter headers, and then I've got some of the functional items as well. I probably should have grabbed one second, let me grab the bow head. Well, no, if I'm gonna use the glitter headers, I don't need the bow headers. A couple weeks ago we came out with more items in this collection that match all of this, but I'm moving all of this right now. Come here. Yep, back a little bit. Yeah, okay, that's so much closer to me from where I'm sitting. Okay, so I'm going to be using this kit. This one is deluxe. I don't think that I will be using the checklists or anything like that, but I do generally pull the deluxe kits. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see foil. I do have my other lights turned up pretty bright to try to combat what's happening with this window. Ooh, maybe I will use the checklist because they have this super pretty pattern in the boxes. Oh, I've got the mini kit in here as well. I just had everything put together, I guess. So I am going to get started with, how do I want to do this? Maybe I'll go ahead and do my bottom washi first. I do have this pad here. This is from Rose Shadow Collection. It's got my week kind of on it. As always, Saturday and Sunday are just blank because I never know. I generally end up cutting all day both of those days, or filming mostly on Sunday and cutting on Saturday and then packaging on Sunday, but I'm not too sure with this week. This week is going to be kind of weird. I mentioned in the vlog I've got a lot of stuff not shop, well, I guess going to Charlotte is shop related, but I've got some non-shop related things going on. And I've got like a bunch of places that I have to go this week. Sorry for my doorbell. I don't know if that will pick up or not my doorbell, but just the door thing saying, hey, somebody's here. Speaking of somebody being here, it might be Mom. Sorry guys, John showed up and then Mom showed up like, I don't know, 15 minutes later, and it's now 12:30. I had to get some stuff ready for her to print, and we actually just made all of our dining reservations for when we're going to Disney in December. So back to what I was doing. I'm gonna go ahead and put down my bottom washi. I think the light though now is gone. That those dots that were happening from my blinds. Oop, okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and put down my date covers as well. And I don't know if I want to use my date dots this week or not. I actually don't think I'm going to. I've been really liking how in the B6 the date covers look without having the date dots on top of them. So, like I said, it is Monday morning. So I'm doing this a bit late. I wanted to get this done yesterday, but I have a lot of orders that I'm trying to get through today. I don't think I'm gonna get through all of them today. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be more like Wednesday before a lot of these ship. When we released all of those functional items with all of the different foil color options, instead of just going through and doing those orders, we actually stocked everything, or we're in the process still. And now I know to never do that many foiled functional items with all of those different color options ever again, the way that I did. I knew that it was going to be a lot to get through. I did not realize exactly how much it was to get through. So we probably aren't going to do more than one color collection release again, unless it's only the color that's in the kit, because it is seriously so much to try to do. What is it? 5 silver, rose gold, light gold, gold, hollow, 5 different foil colors with like 6 different options for color backgrounds, and try to stock all of those. That was definitely, I did not realize exactly how long that was going to take. And they take a long time to cut too, some of the sheets, so that isn't helping. But once they're all done, it'll be okay, because now once we've got everything stocked, or once we do have everything stocked, they'll just have to be restocked instead of me trying to go through and do all of these. It's going to be like, oh, we're out of this color, so we'll just print and restock the one color, and that definitely will be helpful. But trying to get all of these, what am I doing? Trying to get all of these done has been a lot. Something somewhere is crooked, because now everything is crooked. Okay, so I'm gonna pull that back up for the, okay, now I've just ruined the sticker, so I'm gonna pull the whole thing back up. How about I do, that's not gonna fit. Okay, so instead of doing work, I'm gonna use just this week. Since I pulled that up so many times, I started to tear at the edges and kind of make it just crooked. Everything on this right now is so crooked. Okay, I think I fixed it. We're gonna do a to buy down at the bottom, because I need to do a big supply restock this week, mostly foil. We are running through foil so quickly, and this is not an issue I really had so much in the past, but since we're restocking things, we're offering all these different foil colors, we have been going through foil like crazy. So I'm going to, instead of color blocking across my week, I'm gonna do the dark green just all the way across. Here we go, let's start with the zooming. I'm gonna get you guys a little bit closer. It seems like everybody does prefer being a bit closer to the planner, so I'll try to not zoom back and forth a million times. And I kind of want to use my checklist just because they are super pretty in this kit. So I think I'm gonna do that. I almost want to plan like super basically and just do checklist across the top, but I think I'm gonna do like I did this week and kind of go back and forth between the checklists and the full boxes. So I'm gonna put those down, and I'm gonna go ahead and speed you guys on through that process. Okay, so I've got my full boxes down. I had a box that was kind of like 2 that needed to go together. So over here on the weekend, I put those 2 next to each other and put both of these heart checklists down at the bottom. I do want to go ahead and do another row of glitter headers just underneath my ombre heart checklist. And then I have no space. This is why I kind of prefer not to use the ombre heart checklist, because I feel like I've got so much more space. And in reality, I guess that's not true, because I do have a full checklist to actually write everything in, which I really, really liked this past week with the Hello Petite paper kit that I ordered, or that I used, what am I saying? I really liked how that was. So maybe I will enjoy this again. But I'm going to do all of these, and then I actually really like how this is looking. This is such a pretty colored kit. I'm gonna get this sheet out of my way that has that on it, as well as this extra full box. I'm also gonna go ahead and move my washi sheets. So I think next I'm going to do my little things. I feel like, well, I was gonna say I was only gonna do my dinner little things, but I wanna actually use some of the TVs as computers for when I'm uploading, and then I might need some of these like shipping and cleaning icons. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down my little things, and I'm gonna speed you guys through that. Okay, so I've got my little things down. I also went ahead and did another row of glitter headers, so I'm gonna move that out of my way. And now I literally have 0 room in here. But I am gonna use the room that I've got, so I wanna go ahead and put down when Mom is working. So today she came in just for a bit. Tomorrow she will be here. Oop. Wednesday she will be here as well. Thursday we are going, why can I not put anything down straight today? Thursday we are going to IKEA, and then I believe she will be here. I need a different color. I don't have a different color. Oh no. I believe she will be here Friday, but I'm not sure. So actually maybe I won't put that down because I'm not positive that she's gonna be here. So going back to Monday, which is today, I'm going to be cutting all day. I need to finish packaging orders, and then I also ordered, or I will be ordering if they ever send me an email back. Nothing is going to fit here. I'm going to be ordering my Foxies, I should say. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down for that, and then maybe a money bag. Yeah. Moving on to Tuesday, let's do this so that you guys can kind of see. So today I need to ship, mass print, cut the non-foiled sheets. I have bills. Mom was here. I need to package. I need to upload the vlog. I need to order from Foxy. Tomorrow Mom will be here. Tomorrow's payday. I need to cut the non-foiled sheets again. I need to design. It is girls' night. There's a lot going on this week. So I think what I'm going to do for tomorrow is just put down, literally nothing is going to fit because of the way that I've done this. I'm going to go ahead and use another one of these labels and just put that in here. And I think I will do, I pulled all of these really pretty functional foiled things, and I don't think any of them are going to get used. I'm going to do the wine glasses for girls' night. Wednesday, Mom will be here. She's going to be foiling again. I have more bills. I need to cut all the foiled sheets that she's doing. I need to get some design work done, and I'm also going to be going to lunch with a friend. So let's do, I think the only thing that's going to fit is another one of these. And then maybe I'll do just an alarm clock right there. So moving on to Thursday, Mom and I will be in IKEA all day, or be in Charlotte all day, I guess I should say. So let's do a glitter quarter box here. And I'm gonna do the car icon. Moving on to Friday, it is new release day. I think Mom's gonna be here working, but I'm not totally sure. So I'm gonna actually do the marquee like I used to do for new releases. Saturday and Sunday, I am not totally sure what is going on. So I think what I want to do is just use my other 2 quarter boxes. And I think that's gonna be it. I didn't use very much from this kit at all. So I'm gonna zoom you guys out really quick and open this up. I've got stickers stuck everywhere. And yeah, so that is this week. I really, really like how it looks. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. I really like how it looks. I hate not having room down at the bottom. But that's okay. I do have all the room in the checklist. So that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.